I've tried over 100 different AI tools, and this is a must-have AI tool for your digital product business. So this tool allows you 20 times more messages than ChatGPT plus 26 AI plugins, and I'll show you some absolutely mind-blowing plugins that I actually used to pay separately monthly fees just for those that are already included in here. But just for you to understand, basically you have all of these different AI models. You have Claude, OpenAI. Sometimes you might want to use different things for different tasks like Gemini, Perplexity, and if you're getting all of these separately, it's going to add up to quite a lot. Whereas this tool, it basically allows you to use all of these and actually a lot more. I'll show you in a second, a lot more AI models all within one tool, and it basically just charges one set price. I will leave, by the way, special discount and bonuses for this, but aside from that, there's a bunch of other stuff that goes in that provides extremely insane value. By the way, I'm going to leave a guide how I'm making thousands of dollars with less than 5,000 YouTube subscribers, and you can do the same. This is why I'm starting from pricing, because honestly, one of the best deals I've ever gotten. And by the way, if you get annual plan, it's only $19 a month. So this is what the chat looks like, and in here I can press on this, and basically this allows me to choose the different models I want to use. And as you can see, they have Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Gemini, DeepSeek. There's a bunch of different models to choose from, so you can really kind of see what is working for your specific task. One thing to keep in mind here is that, as you can see, they charge a different amount of credits, like 15, 25. Some of them are only 1 credit, some of them are really expensive and it's 180 credits. So it depends which model you use depending on the task. By the way, I created a database of best 100 digital product examples. Check out the description. One really cool feature as well with Merlin is that you have this Merlin Magic, and if I toggle this, then as you can see, I can't choose the model anymore. Depending on what task I'm executing, Merlin is going to find which AI model is the best for that specific task and choose, and it honestly works pretty well. So aside from this, we have bot, which I will show you in just a second, but we also have prompts. So prompts, here we have prompt library, and basically you can save all of the prompts, so you don't need to basically go to your notes or retype every single time. You can just start typing, and then all of your prompts are gonna come up, and then you can quickly just choose what you want to use. Now, this is the feature that I really love. So you have these projects here, and I'll show you an example, so it's going to be the easiest to understand how this works. So here I created a project, create YouTube title generator basically, and in here we have project knowledge. So you can add basically certain instructions that whatever you're submitting, it's going to follow these instructions in here, and then you add the different files in here. So as you can see, you can upload a file, you can actually just insert URL for some content that you want, or again, you can let Merlin to try and find something for you that might be useful. So this is absolutely insane. So now when I'm asking to generate titles, it's not just going to give me some random YouTube titles, which honestly does not work. It would not create anything good. Here it's going to follow the instructions, then it's going to take these templates. Here I uploaded YouTube title templates. It's going to take these templates and only use these when creating the titles, and I'll show you in a second what this turned out to. And just to emphasize here, you can use this in so many different ways. So if you are, let's say, creating your digital product, you can ask AI, because you can really tailor it down. So you can put in the prompt, you can put in all of the information you have, and then you can ask AI to create things from that information that's very narrowed down, specifically what you want for your digital product. Or for example, if you're creating a sales page for your digital product, you can actually just add a URL. If you found some sales page that looks really good, add the URL, and it's going to use that when creating your sales page. So now let me show you the example that it created. So here, as you can see, I did Merlin Magic, and it chose Claude 3.5 Sonnet for this, and these are the titles. So it did case study, result focus titles, and created some of these titles that actually look really good. So I made this, by the way, this was like a video that I reverse engineered Justin Welsh digital product whole system. It's actually a really good video. Check it out on my channel. But here you can see educational value focused titles, transformation, even pattern interrupt. And I didn't even ask to do all of this. It actually just did it automatically. And then it gave me, okay, best performing templates applied, which templates is applied, all of these type of things. And honestly, I tried to take exactly the same prompt, same information, put it on ChatGPT and compare. And this provided way better results. We're talking results where I wouldn't even use it to now I can actually use this. And actually, in this case, it can get good views, good click-through rate. Now, the next thing is AI tools. So in here, we have a lot of different AI tools, as you can see. Sentence rewriter, Excel formula generator, marketing problem solver, marketing strategy generator. Again, if you want, you can see for yourself, there's a ton of different tools, and some of them are super useful, like AI detection. So you put in the text and it shows you, okay, how will search engines perceive this? How much will they see this is AI generated versus human generated? So this is a tool that I actually used to pay for, and now this comes with Merlin within the same software. So again, there's a bunch of different tools that you can apply for your digital products. This is basically if you want to create content using AI to rank your products, drive sales, this is a must-have tool for that, and it's already included in the software. And you will see there's a bunch of different stuff that you can use. Another really cool thing is if you're on X or Twitter, however you want to call it, you have Chrome extension. Basically here, let's say I want to leave a comment here. What it does is, as you can see now, I have all of these prompts from Merlin to write responses, or I can press to create and type something in, and then it's going to create a tweet. And the cool thing is it's not just some random tweet. It's going to take the text here within the tweet, and based on this text, it's going to generate a response. So this is an amazing tool for marketing. If you want to grow your Twitter through engagement, and people go to your profile and then you get them into funnel for your digital products, it's an amazing way to do that. And there is a bunch of people that are already executing this and absolutely killing it. I just want to mention this as well because I absolutely love this feature. If you go on YouTube, you have Merlin here on the side, and in here, basically I can press to generate summary. It's going to give me key insights, which is very useful to see what the video is about. But also what I can do is I have this chat, which I absolutely love. So for example, this video was using AI automations to generate money, and I can ask, okay, is this a passive type of income, or it's an active one? I need to put in work all the time. Do I need to code for this, or it's no code? All of these kind of questions. Instead of watching the whole video, I can just ask the chat, and if it is somewhere within the video, it's going to answer me. It's absolutely insane time saver, and this is great when you are doing your research for your different digital products. This is absolutely amazing to have this chat. And in general, honestly, in life, it's just such a time saver, makes everything so much more efficient. And as you can see here, I can even create content with just one click as well. Now, if we go to my website here, I created this video reverse engineering Justin Welsh growth, and basically instead of reading the whole article, even though this is very concise, but you know, some other people have super long articles. Again, you have the Chrome extension, and if I press on this here, again, I have a chat, so I can chat basically with this whole page. If I want to just figure out, okay, what was the Justin Welsh strategy on selling on courses, and it's going to tell me exactly what those steps were, instead of me needing to go through the whole article and figure this stuff out. So again, insane time saver, and it's just great to do your research when you're building your product, all of that. It just saves up so much time, and you can actually even then get the results and take some of the results and put them perhaps into your product. Next amazing thing is Bonkers. So this is as well, this comes with Merlin, and this is an image generator. So as you can see, they have these templates. Also, they have a bunch of these images. So the way this works is you just put in a prompt, and then you choose from all of these these different settings. So I can choose, for example, what kind of model I want to use, and they have these different types of models, and then I'll just press and it will generate an image for me. And if I want as well, I can also use some of these images. So as you can see, for example, if I press on this, I can use this style, I can use this model, I can basically upscale it, I can see what exactly is the prompt, I can like it, I can also download the image if I want to. So this is an amazing way to create images for your digital products with AI and get some inspiration, whether it's product shots, whether it's images within your product, whatever it is. But again, this is basically what you would do with some other separate AI tools. This is already included in Merlin. Now, the next thing is bots. So here, I'll show you just an example. You can basically create your own bot. So I can put in the description and I can put in a prompt. So again, this is going to be basically predetermined things. So let's say you are a bot that is dedicated to create X and X type of digital product. It's for this type of audience, blah, 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 blah. You can add all of those kind of things. So it knows exactly, it doesn't just create generic things. It basically has predetermined directions how you want it to respond. And as you can see, Merlin has some of its own bots like prompt scientist, article brainstormer, marketing editor, so on and so forth. So this can be a little useful tool to have. Also, when it comes to Google, I just googled my website, and on the side here you will see I have all of this information, again coming from Merlin. It's basically summarizing, depending on what you're googling, it's going to tell you what exactly it is. And you also have the chat here. So I just like that it's integrated with Google, and if I want, I can use my Merlin AI right here on the side. Also, the Chrome extension works with Gmail. So when you have emails, as you can see, there's an icon here, there's an icon here. I can press on introduce yourself, cold email, and I can basically just press, or I can type something in to create a response. And this is great to create emails for maybe your campaigns, but also if you're getting emails from your customers and you want to respond to those, you can just ask Merlin to respond. You can type in quick reply and it's going to create a nice professional email that's going to help you with your customer support, and it will take all of the data that is within the emails that you receive and respond accordingly to that. So honestly, I didn't even go through all of the different features. There's a bunch of different features that I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm not even going to cover them, but there's a lot more stuff. I just wanted to cover the main things that I use every day and I think you're going to find very useful. But honestly, it's some of the best value for money, and I'll leave again special discounts and bonuses for this tool, but I definitely suggest to get it if you want to just be more efficient within your digital product business.